Woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly, most South African people are so dumb. You know what, guys? If you remember, if you followed stories here in South Africa, there was a guy from Namibia who was arrested for breaking in at Phala and stole millions in couches. And that guy was fetched by Uwade from Namibia. So it's funny how you would say someone is wanted as if it's difficult to find Bushiri. Is it difficult to find Bushiri? If it's so difficult, then how did Floyd find Bushiri? I man, stop being dumb. Sometimes you need to use your common sense. I'm giving you a scenario here. If you really want a person, you get a person. Wade managed to find that guy called Emmanuela David, who had stolen millions from Phala. So how is it so difficult then to find Bushiri if Floyd can find Bushiri? That guy is not known, that David Emmanuela. But Wade Roost managed to find him. So how difficult is it then to find someone who's known like Bushiri? Come on, guys. Sometimes you just want to defend nonsense. Floyd has no business with whatever that Bushiri did. He went there for whatever that he went there for. Of which you don't know ukuthi bekayowenzani kuBushiri. What if ubefuna ukuthi uBushiri atshela abantu bakhe abala eSouth Africa to vote for MK next year? So is it wrong ukuthi his campaign through Bushiri? Come on, guys. Then it means nani ningafuna abantu beMK ukuthi bavotela amaqembu enu mos. Angithi ubaba uZuma kuthiwa corrupt sishutha naye. Angithi kuthiwa corrupt just like uBushiri sishutha naye. So ningathi ke nani abantu beMK abavotele amaqembu enu because nathi siyafana no Bushiri. I'm not here to defend Bushiri, but common sense. Bushiri was found by Floyd. So if he's hiding, how difficult is it? Ukuthi angatholwa amaphoyisa. He's not hiding anywhere. He was found by Floyd Shibambo, Bushiri. So if you're saying he's wanted, who wants him? Why angamlandi? Because Floyd ukwazile ukuya kuye. Come on, don't stop being stupid, man. Now. Funa sihlala sifundisana nani izinto. You are stupid if uzokhuluma uzobhala icomment. Le comment oyibhala is stupid. Bushiri is wanted. Is wanted by who? Who wants Bushiri? If Bushiri is wanted, why bangamlandi? Angithi Malawi ivumile ukuthi akalandwe. Why bangamlandi? Man, stop being useless, man. Nani niyafana nje nonke niyafana nje. Nawe kushuthi uEFF. Man, stop being stupid, man.